back to my channel. So I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm actually in my bathroom and I wanted to show you a tool that they had sent me. This little device is so good for the skin and it came all the way from Israel. So right here is the NowMi. This is a weekly spa quality facial and I've been using it for a couple of weeks since they sent it to me. It comes with a sonic exfoliation. It does sonic nourishment, sonic oxygenation, and sonic protection. And then it has a multivitamin and a Dead Sea minerals. So I'm going to show you everything that comes in here. You're going to be astounded. This little device it's so easy to use, and I love the fact that it comes nicely packaged like this, so you can just easily open it and store everything. And that's how I've been storing mine as well. So right here you have this little box, and this is the NowMi vitamin C packets. They come individually wrapped, so that way you make sure that you have them fresh. And it's a little packet like this, and I don't have to tell you how great vitamin C is for your skin. You already know that, but it is amazing. And if you want to know a little bit more, I will definitely put a little bit information in case you don't. Here is the device. This right here is a nice soft scrubbing pad, you can call it. And then right here is where you would put the vitamin C tablet and massage it over. But first we would have to wash our faces, which I'll be showing you how you do that. And you will do that with these two products that they send in here. So, and they also send a nice little recharging cable to charge it up and make sure that your device. So this one is your facial cleansing gel, and this one has vitamins E, B3, B5, Dead Sea minerals. So this is recommended. You will wet your face a little bit, and then you will go ahead and put a little bit this straight on your device, and you will start to clean. I'm going to show you, so don't you worry. And then the next one is the lubricant gel. And this lubricant gel has vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, which of course is something that our skin needs desperately. And this one you would put on top of the little tablet that you would put on the device. So let's go ahead and get started. So basically I just wet my face with the water in front of me. Like I said, I'm in my bathroom. And then I take the little device and I go ahead and I drop some of this facial cleansing. So I started with a little bit like that. And then you turn on the device right here. It's got for you to power it up and everything. And then I just gently put it on my face and I start to go in circular motion. Oh, this feels so nice because the sonic vibrations, it definitely, I don't know if you've seen a lot of talk about this or read articles, but the sonic vibration really helps for it to penetrate into your skin, and that's what we want. Oh, it feels so nice, and it definitely cleans real good. Gotta get the nose, gotta get all. Okay, so I went ahead and I rinsed off the facial cleanser and I rinsed off my tool. Let me tell you, the power button, I had showed you guys that it was right here, but it also has for you to make it stronger. So if you hit the plus, you can hear that it gets louder. And basically it has two more levels, and then you can bring it down by hitting the minus button. And then it's at the lowest power, and then of course the power button. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open the vitamin C packet, and it's got a nice little simple area for you to open it. Oh, I wanted to show you guys one thing. I couldn't find where to charge it. I thought it was here because it looked like a USB, but it's actually right here, and I was pressing, but it's basically lifted up and there is the charger where you would put. I wanted to show you guys that because I couldn't find it. I was having a moment, but thank God they helped me out. So I was able to charge it. But let me tell you, the charging lasted a very, very long time. So I was very impressed because I used it probably almost 2 weeks before I needed to charge it. Okay, so you open the little packet, and here's your vitamin C tablet. You would put it right there until it's nice and snug. You hear it kind of like clip in, so it's not going to fall. No worries about that. Then you go ahead and you grab the lubricant oil, and you just go ahead and put a little bit right on top. So I put like a nice little bead like that. And then I go ahead and I turn it on. And you start to rotate it in circles again. And when you kind of run out of the lubricant oil, just add a little bit more. It's not a big deal. You want to make sure that it's nice and lubricated. So you basically do this weekly, guys. This tablet is for the weekly. The cleaning, this area right here, you can do that daily. Of course, we want to clean our face daily to keep our skin happy and healthy. But the tablet you do once a week, and you do this massage for 2 minutes, and after you massage it for 2 minutes, we're going to go ahead and rinse off, and then I just go and I put my regular daily moisturizer serum, whatever skincare products I want to use. But I've been loving this NowMi Pro device. It's been amazing. Love that I can clean off everything with this soft bristles. They are very soft, but they definitely do clean very well. So that's one thing that I love, the benefit of having something soft, but it makes sure that it takes everything off. So let's go ahead and rinse everything off. Okay, so I went ahead and I put serum. I used today the Pixie hydrating milky serum. I received these in PR, and I also put their hydrating milky lotion. I love these two. They have been great. I have a lot of skincare because I highly recommend you taking care of your skin. That's kind of what I love about this, because it's such a small device. It fits perfectly. I keep it in the box, and I keep that with my skincare products. But I definitely love this. It's easy to clean, it's easy to charge, and it's been working beautifully on my skin. As you can tell, my skin is pretty good. It's not perfect, and none of our skins are perfect, but I definitely highly recommend giving this a try. And right now, with us having to be stuck at home to make sure that we are safe and keep others safe, I think this is a great tool to have. So that way you could do a little facial spa at home. So let's talk about a little bit of the treatment benefits. I love this because it gives you a lot of information, instructions, and everything that you would need to use this product, right? So this reduces the appearance of fine lines and textural imperfections, which have definitely noticed that my worst lines are up here, right here, and of course these. This is not too bad, thank God. It's slowing down, but it's definitely done that. I had a lot of texture around here, so I've noticed that that has died down as well, which is great. It hydrates your skin, it restores volume, which is true. These laugh lines were a lot deeper, so were these, so I'm happy about that. Thank you. It renews glow and revitalizes dull complexion, which is true. My complexion has been looking better. Of course, when you take care of your skin, it's going to look better. The glow is going to come back, the velocity, everything. It also says that it deeply cleanses pores and facial skin, which is very true. That's why these bristles are here. So these bristles help to penetrate basically. And the vibration, what it helps is, if you think about it, your skin starts to vibrate. Obviously your pores, are open. So that vibration helps to jiggle the junk out, I say. And then the scrubbing brushes catches everything and moves it out. So that is why this is amazing, and it deep cleanses. Another one is it nourishes the skin with vitamin C, E, B3, B5, and Dead Sea minerals. And I don't know if you've heard a lot about the Dead Sea. It has a lot of minerals that are really good for our bodies. A lot of people like to go and swim in there and stuff like that, just to try to rejuvenate. So they went ahead and bought that to us, the benefits of the Dead Sea, and I'm all for that. So definitely give it a try, give it a chance, check them out. I will have all the information linked in the description below. Any questions you have, by all means, feel free to send me a message, in the comments, and I will answer any questions. But overall, I've really been enjoying this NowMi Pro. Thank you so much for sending this out to me. It has definitely made a difference in my skincare, and I am all for skincare. I'd say this 100 billion times. I'm definitely going to be doing more videos on skincare. I get that question asked all the time. I usually am always on Instagram, so check me out there. I'll put the little link here, my little hashtag, my little tag, and that way you can go ahead and check me out there. That's where I do most of my videos and tutorials and information, but I'm gonna bring it here for you guys as well because you deserve it. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like. Please don't forget to hit that little subscription button and hit that little notification bell so you will be notified when I upload next. I've been trying to upload more often. It's been difficult because I have a lot going on, and I should be like popping them out left and right because I'm stuck in the house, so we can't really do anything. For all my YouTubers, please stay safe, stay inside as much as you can. Don't take a chance. We don't know if we're that one that could get seriously sick, or we're that one that gives it to somebody that could get seriously sick, or pass away from this. We don't want that. So like always, remember that there is a positive in every negative, and I will put a nice little quote here for you guys to hopefully help your day. And just, we're gonna get through this, so stay positive, and that's it. I'm gonna go now, so y'all take care.